Imagine walking through a crowded city. Among thousands of faces, each is unique. A mosaic of features that makes every person instantly recognizable. This diversity exists despite the fact that we all share the same basic facial characteristics: 2 eyes, a nose, a mouth, and ears. How can so much variation arise from such a universal blueprint? The answer lies in a complex interplay of genetics, evolution, and environmental influences. Each of these factors contributes uniquely to the development and variation of human faces, creating the endless array of appearances we see today. In this video, we'll explore the 6 most important facts when it comes to your facial construct and why it is the way it is. Stick until the end to see why it all matters. Let's dive in. Fact number 1. The genetic blueprint of faces. Our faces are shaped by our DNA, which acts as the blueprint for all physical traits. Within our genetic code, scientists have identified numerous genes that influence facial structure and appearance. These genes regulate everything from the width of your cheekbones to the curve of your nose, as well as the size and shape of your eyes, lips, and chin. Genetic variation arises from small differences in DNA sequences called single nucleotide polymorphisms, SNPs. These variations can have subtle or significant effects on physical traits. For example, a single SNP might determine the prominence of your jawline or the height of your forehead. However, it is the combination of these variations across thousands of genes and the way they interact with each other that produces the distinct features of an individual. Even siblings who share many genetic similarities can look markedly different due to the intricate way genes are expressed. Genetics also play a role in the inheritance of specific traits from parents to offspring. Dominant and recessive genes interact in complex ways, leading to the expression of certain features while others remain hidden. This intricate dance of heredity ensures that each person's face is a unique amalgamation of their lineage. Fact number 2. Evolutionary pressures. Evolution plays a critical role in shaping facial diversity. Human ancestors lived in varying environments that favored certain physical traits. For example, nasal structure often correlates with climate. Narrower noses are more common in colder, drier climates, while broader noses are prevalent in warm, humid regions. These adaptations optimize respiratory efficiency by regulating the temperature and humidity of the air before it enters the lungs. In addition to climate, evolutionary pressures also stem from diet and lifestyle. Early human populations that relied on harder-to-chew diets may have developed stronger jawlines and teeth, while those with softer diets experienced reduced jaw size over time. These adaptations reflect the direct influence of survival needs on facial development. Sexual selection is another evolutionary factor that has shaped human faces. Features associated with health, fertility, and overall vitality often influence perceived attractiveness. Symmetry, for instance, is widely regarded as a sign of good health and genetic fitness. However, preferences for beauty are not universal and vary across cultures and historical periods, adding another layer of diversity. Fact number 3. The role of recombination and mutation. Each person's genetic makeup is unique due to recombination, the process by which chromosomes exchange genetic material during reproduction. This genetic shuffling creates new combinations of traits, including facial features. The sheer number of possible combinations ensures that no 2 individuals, except identical twins, look exactly alike. Mutations, or changes in DNA, also introduce new variations. Some mutations are neutral, having little to no effect on physical traits, while others may lead to noticeable changes in appearance. Over generations, certain mutations can become more common in a population if they offer an advantage or align with aesthetic preferences. For instance, mutations affecting melanin production have led to variations in skin tone and features adapted to different levels of sunlight exposure. Fact number 4. Environmental influences. While genetics play a dominant role, environmental factors also shape our faces. Nutrition, for instance, can significantly affect jaw development and facial structure. Malnutrition during critical growth periods may lead to narrower jaws or smaller facial features, while a well-balanced diet supports optimal development. Physical habits and lifestyle choices also leave their mark. Prolonged thumb-sucking in childhood can affect the alignment of teeth and the growth of the jaw, while habitual mouth-breathing might alter the structure of the face. Over time, these environmental influences interact with genetic predispositions, creating subtle but notable differences in appearance. Additionally, exposure to sunlight, pollutants, and other environmental factors can influence skin tone and texture. These external elements interact with genetic traits, further diversifying human faces. Even as adults, lifestyle factors such as stress, sleep, and diet continue to shape the way we look. Fact number 5. Cultural and social influences. Cultural practices such as scarification, tattooing, and piercings also contribute to facial diversity. These modifications are often deeply rooted in societal norms and traditions, serving as markers of identity, status, or beauty. For instance, certain African cultures practice scarification as a rite of passage, while in many societies, makeup and hairstyling are used to enhance or alter appearance. Fashion and trends play a role in shaping how we perceive facial features. What is considered attractive or desirable changes over time and across cultures. These shifting standards further emphasize the diversity of human faces and the ways in which they are perceived. Fact number 6. The complexity of gene expression. Even with the same set of genes, individuals can look vastly different due to variations in gene expression. Epigenetics, the study of how environmental factors influence gene activity, reveals that lifestyle, stress, and exposure to toxins can modify how genes are expressed. For instance, identical twins may have subtle differences in appearance as they age due to environmental influences that affect their gene expression. Gene expression also plays a role in aging, with factors such as collagen production and skin elasticity changing over time. The way these changes manifest is influenced by both genetic predispositions and external factors, such as sun exposure and skincare habits. The big picture, why it all matters. Understanding why humans look different helps us appreciate the incredible complexity and beauty of our species. Facial diversity serves practical purposes as well. It facilitates social interaction, allowing us to recognize and remember individuals. This ability is crucial for building relationships, maintaining social bonds, and functioning within communities. Moreover, facial diversity underscores the resilience and adaptability of humans as a species. It reflects our ability to thrive in varied environments, adapt to changing circumstances, and express individuality. By exploring the science behind our unique appearances, we gain a deeper understanding of human biology and the forces that shape us. Closing thoughts. The diversity of human faces is a testament to the intricate interplay of biology, culture, and environment. Each face tells a story, a narrative woven from genetic heritage, evolutionary pressures, and personal experiences. By celebrating this diversity, we honor the shared foundation of humanity expressed in countless fascinating variations. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing facts.